Ever felt like you're on the outside looking in at the world of cryptocurrency? You hear the buzzwords, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and maybe you've even dipped a toe in, but the idea of actually buying crypto still feels a little daunting? Like some secret club with a complicated handshake? Well, what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? What if there was a straightforward, user-friendly platform right here in Canada that could help you navigate the exciting world of digital assets with confidence? That platform is Newton. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can buy cryptocurrency on Newton, step by simple step. No jargon overload, no confusing interfaces, just clear, actionable guidance to get you started on your crypto journey. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly touch on why you might be considering buying crypto in the first place. The reasons are as diverse as the cryptocurrencies themselves. Some see it as a potential investment, a way to diversify their portfolio and potentially achieve significant returns. Others are drawn to the underlying technology, blockchain, and its potential to revolutionize various industries, from finance to supply chain management. Still others are interested in the decentralized nature of many cryptocurrencies, offering an alternative to traditional financial systems. Whatever your reason, it's crucial to understand that the cryptocurrency market can be volatile. Prices can fluctuate significantly and rapidly, and there's always a risk of losing money. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's essential to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Think of it like this: learning to buy crypto is like learning any new skill. It might seem a little intimidating at first, but with the right guidance and a little practice, it becomes much easier. And Newton is designed to make that learning process as smooth as possible for Canadians. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of digital assets? Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do, if you haven't already, is to create a Newton account. The process is relatively quick and painless. You'll head over to the Newton website or download their mobile app, available on both iOS and Android. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure you choose a strong, unique password that you don't use for other online accounts. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Once you've entered your basic information, Newton will likely ask you to verify your email address. This usually involves clicking a link sent to your inbox. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your account. Next up is the Know Your Customer (KYC) process. This is a standard requirement for financial platforms to verify your identity and prevent illicit activities. You'll typically need to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, residential address, and occupation. You'll also likely be asked to upload a government-issued photo ID, such as your driver's license or passport. Newton uses secure encryption to protect your personal information, so you can be assured that your data is handled with care. The verification process usually takes a short amount of time, but in some cases, it might require a manual review and could take a little longer. You'll receive an email notification once your account has been verified. All right. You've signed up and your account is verified. Congratulations! You're one step closer to buying crypto. Now, the next crucial step is funding your Newton account. You can't buy crypto without having some Canadian dollars, CAD, in your account first. Newton offers several convenient ways to deposit funds. One of the most common methods is through Interac e-transfer. This is a fast and secure way to transfer funds directly from your Canadian bank account to your Newton account. Within the Newton app or website, you'll find instructions on how to initiate an e-transfer. You'll typically need to add Newton as a recipient in your online banking and use a specific email address or reference code provided by Newton. Another option might be linking your bank account directly. This can sometimes offer higher deposit limits but might take a little longer to process initially. Newton will guide you through the steps if this option is available. Keep in mind that there might be minimum deposit amounts, so be sure to check Newton's website or app for the latest details. Once you've initiated the deposit, it usually takes a short time for the funds to appear in your Newton balance. You'll receive a notification once the deposit is successful. Okay, your account is funded, the exciting part is about to begin. Now you can finally buy some cryptocurrency. On the Newton app or website, you'll see a list of the various cryptocurrencies that are available for trading. These might include popular options like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, as well as other altcoins. Take some time to browse the available cryptocurrencies. You can usually see the current price changes over different time periods, and sometimes a brief description of the project. Remember, it's crucial to do your own research on any cryptocurrency you're considering buying. Understand its purpose, its technology, its potential risks and rewards. Don't just buy something because it's popular or because you saw it mentioned on social media. Once you've decided which cryptocurrency you want to buy, simply tap or click on it. You'll be taken to a trading interface for that specific asset. Here, you'll typically see the current market price and options to buy or sell. To buy, you'll usually need to enter the amount of Canadian dollars you want to spend or the amount of the specific cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Newton will then show you the estimated amount of crypto you'll receive based on the current market price and any applicable fees. Pay close attention to the fees involved. Newton, like any exchange, charges fees for its services. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the transaction size. Make sure you understand the fee structure before you execute your trade. Newton is generally transparent about its fees, so you should be able to find this information clearly displayed. Once you're happy with the amount and you understand the fees, you can proceed with the purchase. You'll likely be asked to confirm your order before it's executed. Double-check all the details to ensure everything is correct. Congratulations! You've just bought cryptocurrency on Newton. You should now see the purchased crypto reflected in your Newton wallet balance. Now that you've made your first purchase, you might be wondering what to do next. Newton acts as a custodian, meaning they hold your cryptocurrency for you in their secure wallets. This is a convenient option for beginners. However, as you become more familiar with the crypto space, you might consider other options for managing your digital assets. One option is to withdraw your crypto to your own personal cryptocurrency wallet. This gives you more control over your private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your crypto. There are different types of crypto wallets, including software wallets on your computer or phone, and hardware wallets, physical devices that offer an extra layer of security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.